In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow multiple people to share at once in Zoom. If you're running a collaborative meeting, design review, or classroom session, letting more than one person share their screen at the same time can save a lot of back and forth. To make this work, you'll need to be the meeting host or a co-host, since only hosts can change sharing permissions. Also, be sure you're already inside the Zoom meeting where you want this to happen. Start by moving your mouse to the meeting toolbar and look for the Share Screen button. Don't click the big button itself. Instead, click the small arrow right next to it. This little arrow opens the sharing controls that hosts use to fine-tune who can share and how sharing behaves during the meeting. From the menu that appears, choose the option labeled Host Tools for Share or Host Controls for Sharing depending on your app version. This opens a settings panel specific to sharing. Think of it as the control room for everything related to screen sharing in your current meeting. Inside that panel, find the section that says how many participants can share at the same time. By default, Zoom usually allows only one person to share at a time, which causes new shares to replace the current one. To allow simultaneous sharing, change this setting to multiple participants can share simultaneously. The moment you select this, Zoom will let more than one attendee start sharing without interrupting what's already on screen. It's ideal when you want to compare dashboards, walk through designs side by side, or have a student and instructor present together. A few quick tips to make this run smoothly. Let your participants know you've enabled simultaneous sharing so they don't hesitate to start. Remind anyone sharing audio from their computer to keep microphones muted if you notice echo or overlapping sound. If someone has multiple monitors, suggest they pick the exact screen or window they want to show to avoid confusion. Performance can vary on older devices, so encourage participants to close unneeded apps if things feel sluggish. And if your meeting flow changes, you can revert at any time by returning to the same sharing controls and switching back to one participant at a time. That gives you an easy way to keep discussions focused during demos, then open things back up for collaboration. And that's all there is to it. Click the arrow next to Share, open the Host Sharing Tools, and switch the setting to allow multiple participants to share simultaneously. With that simple change, your Zoom meetings become much more collaborative and efficient.